How to unread a message on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how to unread a message on Instagram. First, open or launch the Instagram mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different posts that have been shared. After that, proceed and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your app, just like you can see here. For what I'm going to show you to work, you have to be using a professional account. If you are using a personal account, then follow the steps I will show you and switch your account to a professional account. Proceed and tap on the hamburger symbol at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the Settings and Activity page of Instagram, where there are options that you can use to make changes to the settings of the app, just like you can see here. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section here. From the options that are here, tap this one named Account Type and Tools. After that, you will land on this other page where there are options. From them, the one we need is this one named Switch to Professional Account. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Okay, finally, after switching the account to a professional account, then what you have to do is to exit this section and come back to the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the Direct Messages icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the inbox of your account where you will see all the different messages you have been sent. From them, look for the one you want to mark as unread. After finding it, then do this. If you are using an Android phone, long press on the message. If you are using an iPhone, swipe the message to the left side, and after that, a menu with options will appear. From the options, look for one named Unread. Sometimes it may appear as an icon just like mine here. Tap on it, and just like that, the message will be marked as unread. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to unread a message on Instagram.